How to change the default theme in Honor 200. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on home screen and wallpaper. Now here tap on themes and then tap on this more themes option. And here in this preset themes section, select the first theme. So first theme in the preset themes section is always the default theme. So tap on this theme and then tap on apply. So it will take few seconds to apply the theme, and after that the default theme will be changed. So that's how you can change the default theme in Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.